Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is the 93mm Pioneer Pruner. And you may see it listed as a Pruner, maybe, but Pioneer Pruner is probably the best way to identify it. Now, this one is kind of a little unusual in that it's one of the corporate gift type advertising knives. Thus, it has the logo from the company, which is Bugnard. I have no idea what Bugnard makes. I got it because I thought it was pretty, and I like the gold color. Now, the Pruner is a single layer knife. As you can see, there's just like one layer here. And what you get with this is you get the large knife blade, and, well, being a Swiss Army knife, it's sharp. And you also get the pruning blade, like so. And pruning blade, also sharp. It's kind of a neat little pocket knife. I mean, this particular knife, I would say, falls in the category more of a traditional like pocket knife as opposed to more of a Swiss Army knife, if that makes sense. It's made by Victorinox, but it has a pocket knife versus Swiss Army knife feel to it. If that makes, I know that might sound really weird, but you know, it's like, it's almost a single blade knife. Like, it's almost something like this. It's almost like the a single blade folder kind of knife, but it almost reminds me of like the old case knives. I don't know. It's kind of neat. I really like the color. I'm hoping the color is coming through. You know, it looks as good on video as it does in person, but I really like the gold. The gold's really pretty. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are y'all in the opinion that you want to carry, if you want to carry like a pocket knife, something like this would be the way to go, or would you opt for something like more of one of the more modern, like single blade folding knives? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll include a link in the description where you can find out information about this. I'll include a link to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page, and I'll also include a link where you can search for this on Amazon if you're interested in this particular knife. Also, I found this one on eBay, this specific knife, so that's another good place you can check if you're looking for more, I don't really want to say unusual, because this isn't a super odd Swiss Army knife, but maybe less common Swiss Army knives. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.